The next generation formulation of QR678 Neo will focus on modulating key signaling pathways, offering more targeted, effective, and personalized therapies for hair regeneration.
Think that the areas where we focus a lot from a pharmaceutical perspective tend to be around inflammation if there's alopecia areata, or if we have any sort of hormonal shifts, the gut, skin, hair axis. So same thing in the probiotic world, we have to get used to not just saying probiotic, but we have to delve into more, what is the strain, or at least what is the species that we're looking at. The gut microbiome and probiotics are still in their infancy, but we're really getting more and more knowledge in this area. I will say there's more studies looking at L. reuteri now in people. So that's very exciting, and we have these reproducible measures that we hopefully will get more answers on. And then biotin is way overhyped, and just make sure that you get your patients off biotin at least before you check labs. Maybe biotin will lead to stronger nails, but definitely not faster hair growth from what we can tell.
Hair cycle is governed by several critical signaling pathways, including WNT, SHH, Notch, AKT, and BMP pathways. Let's talk about how WNT pathway is essential or important in hair follicle regulation. The WNT signaling pathway plays a pivotal role in initiating and sustaining the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle. The SHH signaling pathway is essential for hair follicle development and progression into the anagen phase. The Notch signaling pathway, BMP signaling, regulates the dynamic transition between the anagen and the telogen phases of the hair cycle. Understanding and leveraging these molecular interactions allow for smarter, more effective therapeutic strategies in hair restoration. QR678 Neo acts on the WNT and the AKT pathway, thereby modulating critical cellular signaling pathways involved in hair follicle regeneration and cycling. By working in synergy with body's natural mechanisms, it promotes scalp health and stimulates sustained hair restoration. QR678 Neo is a first-in-class plant-derived biomimetic polypeptide, which is a research-recognized and revolutionary anti-hair loss and hair restoration regime.
Gut plays a very important role because all said and done, even telogen effluvium, apart from the other cases of alopecia areata, we see some amount of scalp inflammation in cases of telogen effluvium also, which in many cases presents as trichodynia. Patients typically present with tenderness in the scalp. Definitely the gut health is very important.
It is definitely, I have seen that when there is a diet imbalance, like, there are more of processed starchy food, and then like gluten and lactose intolerance, that leads to the microbiome disturbance.